In this video, I'm going to show you how we can connect this AMG8833 to a Raspberry Pi 4. This is a thermal camera with 8x8 sensor image. It has a header in its board, in its kit, and then this is the board. We will connect this header on VIN ground SCL SDA, which is the I2C bus. I need to solder these headers in these holes. To do that, I need this breadboard so that I can align it easily. I will put this on the breadboard, and then I can just put the module here. And I will start soldering one pin, and then I will solder the rest. But I will check first if they are perfectly aligned and flush here. Seems okay. Then you will proceed on the other pins. You just have to do this quick, because if you try to put the soldering iron for long, it might damage your breadboard. SDA. This is for the SCL, and then for the ground. Okay. Let's have a close look in this. The solder seems okay, and then the header seems to be flush properly. We can now prepare our connection for the Raspberry Pi here, and then we can proceed on programming. We now have our header wires female to female, and we will connect it to the Raspberry Pi and the sensor board. So let's connect it here. White for the VIN, black for the ground, and then the other two will be for the I2C bus. The connection seems okay. So the VIN, we will connect it to the 3.3 to the ground, and then the I2C connection on the Raspberry Pi. First will be the VIN. We will connect it here on this point. Next will be the SDA pin, this wire here. Next will be the SCL or the clock. Then lastly will be the ground. The ground should be here. Okay, the connection is now good. We can now proceed on programming. I hope you find this video and demo on how to connect this sensor to Raspberry Pi useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.